In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Nova to Axiom Pro. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you have your Axiom Pro account, you will want to go to this website over here, which is click.tradeonnova.io. And from here, you first want to click Download for Chrome, which will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you have to click on Add to Chrome, and then Add Extension, and just like this, your extension has been added. Then what you want to do is go back over here, and this will say Connect Telegram. However, you can click over here, but what I would recommend is that you actually use my link down below in the description, because once you click Open in Web or Start Bot over here, you will have to basically be put in a wait list. So you'll be on a wait list, and you'll have to wait like a few days or at least a few hours to be able to access this. But if you use my link down below and my referral code, you will be able to get access right away, and you'll also get some % discount on your trading fees, so make sure you check that out. Once you come in here, of course, on this website via my link down below, which let me just do it the exact same way I showed you over here. This is my referral link. There we go. You're gonna see this page, and then you want to click Start Bot in case you have Telegram installed on your computer. But if you don't, if you want to use the web version like me, you can just click Open in Web. Now what this will do is it will open up this menu over here where you will simply have to click Start, and you can start the bot. Now, if you're signing up for the first time right now, what you will see is that you're put in a wait list, and you will have to enter in my referral code. So this will basically grant you access right away, and the referral code is this one over here. You can just type it in if you want to, of course, but if you've signed up via the link, you won't have to do that again. Now, after you do this, you want to click on Menu over here, and this will kind of give you this basically access to their menu. In here, first you want to click on Settings, and then click on Nova Click over here, and make sure the Use Panel settings are enabled. So it has to be green. If it's red like this, click on that, and it's going to become green. And after you've done this, you can basically close down the bot because you won't need Telegram anymore. You can go back to Axiom, and you can click on this puzzle icon top right, and you can pin yourself the Nova extension for easier access. Then simply click on that, and it says disabled right now. You want to click on enabled, so just make sure it's enabled. Your Axiom Pro will refresh, and over here you have your different presets, which you can of course change as you wish, of course whenever you want and however you want. And after you've done this, that's pretty much it. You're ready to start trading, because if I go to a random coin over here, as you can see, your Nova Click extension is now showing, and your Nova Click bot is over here, and you can just start using it as you wish. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.